We've all seen those cars that they film movies with. Blacked out SUVs with massive cameras attached which chase the action around.
Like this.
But those cars cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. So we thought, how hard could it be? So we built our own movie filming car for 1% of the price. Rented a track, got a star car, hired a racing driver, and got a real movie filming car worth over $500,000 that is ready to film chase scenes that you'd see in James Bond. Before we look at our film car, which cost mere pennies in comparison, should we see how it's done properly? So this is Sam from Traction. Sam, cheers for coming down.
Thanks for having us.
What is this beast that you've brought with us?
So this is our Porsche Cayenne turbo arm car, and we use it for high-speed filming. 4.8 litre V8, 500 brake horsepower.
What sort of things have you filmed with this in the past?
We've done some Netflix shows, done some car commercials. We did Top Gear as well. The arm allows us to reposition the camera while on the move, so we wouldn't want to have to stop, take the camera off and move it if it was fixed. So that allows us to change the camera position quickly, even while we're filming.
And why is it matte black?
It's to stop the reflections, so you can't see it in the cars you're shooting.
Black wheels on yours?
Essential.
Can we use silver?
Well, you just see a silver reflection of a wheel.
You've gone into quite a lot of detail with yours.
So none of this looks cheap. Do you have a rough idea of costs?
So you're probably looking at the car with the modifications, getting towards 100 grand, adding the arm, which is probably another 60 grand, the remote heads, another 100, and then you're looking at another 70 to 80 for the camera, another 40 for the lens, I'd say. And then that doesn't even include probably, you've got other little bits and bobs.
Right, is that it?
Yeah, is that it?
Okay.
So you said about some modifications.
Yeah, all we've done is we've upgraded the brake pads and we've upgraded the suspension, and then otherwise it's stock. Obviously you've got the roof rack, but inside is where most of the modifications happen.
Should we have a look inside? Don't really know where to begin with this one, I'll be honest. They look like they belong in a submarine. Is that what operates the arm?
No, that operates the head.
Okay.
But where that come from was they used to operate anti-aircraft guns with the wheels, and I think that's where that mechanism came from.
So that's the gunner's seat. We've got some headphones here as well.
That interlinks with the production's radios, so we can talk to the producers in the set with that. We can also talk to the driver of the hero vehicle and also talk between us.
That's amazing. We've got a comm system. Can we have a look in the front as well?
Yeah.
Okay, so up front, driver's seat, obviously. Who drives this for you?
So Leo Forster's driving today. He is 5-time British champion, has his own racing school, Forster Racing.
Wow. Have we got driving for us?
I think Edwin.
Has he got a licence?
He can do mad skids.
How many championships has he won?
He's done the Newbury GP circuit a few times.
He's king of the roundabouts around there.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm just feeling a little bit overwhelmed.
It's a bit too much to take in, isn't it? Speaking of driving as well, so why choose a turbo?
So we just want something as quick as possible. Got a lot of weight in the car, a lot of weight on the roof. You need a lot of power to keep up with whatever you're shooting. You want to be able to outperform the car you're shooting, not have it leaving you in its dust.
We haven't really thought about that.
Before we show you, can we have a quick look in the boot?
Yeah, of course.
Oh my word.
So that's where the focus pedal sits.
Racing seat?
Racing seat, Tillit racing seat.
Tell it.
Look, I had them in my Z3.
Z3 a camera
I
car?
actually had green stitching on mine, so mine was carbon fibre as well.
Yeah. One other thing is when you press this button here, the boot will close. Oh. So if you're inside there, you don't have to wait for someone to come shut you in. You just press the button and you're in.
Can't shut ours, can we?
No, we can't shut ours.
Do you want to see ours?
I'd love to see it.
Right, let's go on to the good stuff. The Veneo. I will admit, about 3 months ago, this was a camper van. So it sort of does everything. And also, matte black.
Yeah.
Don't look too closely at it though.
Let's see the corner.
Oh no!
Oh.
What's happened?
Did you do that in the dark?
We legit did that in the dark.
Very cold, but getting tedious.
You weren't there. Shout out to Detail My Car. That's where we did it. They were very kind and they let us use their studio sort of detailing area to wrap the car. But we ran out of time, so this we did in the dark on Edwin's driveway. And you can see we didn't really get round to all of it, but the majority of it we got.
This is an arm. We had to borrow this from Evo.
Evo magazine, yeah.
That's our camera.
Does that do video as well?
Yeah. We got some video, yeah. It's essentially the same thing, isn't it?
It's looks really secure.
Yeah, don't look too close.
Yeah, that half secure.
Should that be that loose?
That's not going anywhere.
The inside is where it gets really good.
Come on.
Has yours got sliding doors? Ethan, they haven't got sliding doors.
You haven't got sliding doors?
That's a wonder, that, isn't it? Oh. So we have a screen, which is mounted to the driver's headrest via a bit of wood.
That's not going anywhere.
No, it's not going anywhere.
Do you have an integrated playback system?
Yeah, HDMI cable.
So this is like a £60 monitor with a cable that runs through the door, and the whole thing is plugged into an inverter which runs off of our cigarette 12-volt socket.
Do you have much redundancy built into that system?
Yeah, massive amounts of redundancy.
Yeah.
This is our second arm. It's a 360 camera on a pole. It's like an Essex arm.
Who operates that?
Anyone really.
Yeah.
The driver can operate that.
The driver
could, yeah. They're feeling lucky.
You've got quite a lot of reach.
We have got quite a lot
3
of reach.
metre arm.
Yeah.
We haven't even got a camera wide enough to get all this in, have we, guys?
You can't say fairer than
You
that.
can't say fairer than that. Can you imagine driving the Veneo, arm out the window?
I'm imagining it right
You get
now.
bangers.
This is our comm system.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
That means like go.
That means go. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
yeah.
All right.
And cut is.
Okay. That's
Ethan, do you want to run through like sort of a director's note so Sam can see the communication system in operation?
Yeah. Get the shot.
Are you related to Michael Bay?
Jack, do you want to show Sam the piece of resistance?
Yeah, we're not playing Warzone today though. This actually operates our arm.
Arm 1.
And these arms operate arm 2. You're not impressed by
That
this?
connects to the camera.
Yeah, and it's pink.
What does R2 do?
That's grenade.
That's grenade, yeah?
But when we're actually filming,
Yeah.
circle is record, and then all of it's in there. It was on this stick, but I've played way too much Warzone to be able to deal with that, and no one needs that.
Do you want to see our boot?
Let's see the boot.
So this is where arm 3 sits. Ben actually sits there, and he's a child, so we've got a booster seat for him as well.
He's secure, is it?
Yeah, we've got safety.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the safety. Okay, good. That's
Yeah, he's fine. There's a harness as well.
He fish hooks that.
good. Is there a button for the boot to open and close?
Not really, no, but we do have a ratchet strap holding it up.
So what kind of horsepower is this running?
It's not very well though, this car. You've got upgraded suspension.
Yeah.
Ours needs replacing.
Any lights?
Oh no, yeah, all of them.
loads.
All of them,
Yeah,
yeah.
loads
That's
of
good.
lights.
What like the main ones, like traction control, ABS, oil lights come
Oils,
on.
yeah, that's good. Good to have oil.
Yeah, it beeps randomly every now and then. That's something to do with like oil pressure.
What did this set you back then?
All in 2k, something like that. Two and a half. 2.5
Yeah.
max.
Do you like one of these? We can build you one custom.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, there's a chance though, there's hope.
I think it's time to do battle.
Yeah,
It is.
Let's do it.
Before beginning our challenges, we quickly sorted out our silver wheel problem. With the Veneo now complete, we set up the most important test for any camera car, how well it can do in a drag race. And we'll do that Le Mans style start, so the whole team has to load it into their camera car, get buckled in, and drag race to the finish, all while keeping the camera focused on the opponent.
Right, come on boys. Well, you've dislodged my screen.
Sounds like you problem, bub. Tilt him up, tilt him up.
No, I can't drive like that.
Heated seats on 2 or 3? If you chuck it on 2.
Ethan, hurry up.
I can't do my belt!
Oh God, it stinks back here.
Everyone in?
Yeah, we're all good. Everyone in?
Ben, you're holding this up, man. Come on.
I'm ready to go!
Oh yes, we're away! Come on, boys!
Come on, Veneo.
Let's go.
Oh, they're coming.
Oh,
no. Oh,
Go, 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 go,
I'm giving her all
go, 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 go.
Oh my word.
45.
Go on, boys.
Yeah, cut.
That's all right, boys. That's all right.
Oh, God damn.
Good effort anyway. Like, it was quick enough.
It was
quick enough.
It would work for a movie. Michael Bay would be happy with that.
Yeah.
After that clear loss for the Veneo, we moved on to something that we could really shine in, a lap of the track. Camera cars need to be able to keep up with their star cars, stay in the action and capture what's needed. So to test this, we've got Jann Mardenborough in the new Toyota Supra manual to act as our stunt driver for the star car. The camera car will follow for a lap and then we'll swap round and lead for a lap.
Just roll camera. 3, 2, 1, action.
Well, it is fair. No, it is fair. It's like the epitome of fair. We haven't put any time or effort into ours, so theirs is better. Ours cost £2,000. They've probably spent that on bolts.
3, 2, 1, go.
Now that gets my heart going.
After Traction's passable attempt, we pulled the Veneo out to show him how it's done, and Ethan had a plan to give us the edge.
Can we have real slow, real sideways?
Yeah? So we're a professional bunch here.
I'm rolling.
Right, Jann on 5 will set off. I'll give you a countdown of 5. Is that good? You go on 5. I don't think we've got the power.
No, he's going to leave us behind.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
Jump it,
All
jump
right.
it.
Ready? 5.
We're off.
4, 3, 2, 1. We're winning.
Oh no. Right, chase time.
Come on.
It's all she's got.
We're losing him. Yeah.
That's not,
Yeah.
that won't work. He can't hear you.
Edwin, you're going to have to do something about this. We're falling behind.
I know a shortcut. Just go hard right. Drone's overtaken us. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's good. Yeah, that's it. Careful of Supra. Supra there. Right, Edwin,
That's a great shot.
he's lost the set.
That's fine. No, watch this.
Yeah.
We're going to catch up. Come on, Veneo. Beautiful. Watch
This
go.
could be good. This could be good. Yes. Oh, Jack, yes. Oh, there's probably some shots in there.
Despite wearing both a harness and a seatbelt, our safety team has advised us to tell you not to hang out the back of a Mercedes Veneo.
Edwin, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, the power.
Come on, go!
Yeah, bit of keep up. Edwin, a bit slow, a bit too quick, mate. The door's open here. Jack, get this shot.
Go!
He's honking us.
Guys, come on. I can't skid at 12 miles an hour.
Edwin, quicker.
This request was something that Ethan would soon regret.
We're going in big here.
This is the best bit. Go faster.
Edwin, slow down.
We're beeping. We got oil pressure off again.
We've got no oil pressure.
That took a lot of my strength and focus.
They must be like, those guys know what they're doing.
I do this a lot, to be fair. I think people would assume you have to fight it. You don't. You want to go with it.
You want to let yourself fall out the back.
Jann, this time if you could just keep up with us a little bit, that'd be great. Cheers.
It looks tough.
It is tough.
You've got armrests that you can put down for some stability.
I'm not resting my arms whilst I'm doing this, Edwin. Are you absolutely insane?
Right, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go!
We're going to do 30.
30, Jack.
If Jack doesn't get a choice.
Jack, you don't get a choice apparently.
Ethan, can you ask Jack if this is a good speed?
Jack, is this a good speed?
Yes, this is great.
Yes,
I'm trying
this
to
is great.
concentrate.
Okay, great.
He's trying to concentrate.
Okay.
Jack, how's it going?
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
That's great, thank you.
Jann, please keep up with us.
Jesus, Jann.
Slow down! It's ridiculous. Jack, is that shot going in your show reel?
Right, happy?
Jack, are you happy?
Get me out of this thing.
I think we worked very well as a team there. I think I bridged the gap between driver and camera very well.
I didn't even realise you were still here.
No, I was feeding directions.
We became one
Yeah,
person.
you didn't even know I was directing.
You were up inside me.
I think I should get my driving licence back now.
I'll send DVLA a link.
With that being another loss for the Veneo, we switched to something a little bit different. Movies nowadays sometimes don't even need camera cars, so to show off, Traction had brought their professional drone operators.
Luckily, we had a professional drone pilot of our own.
You're not ready?
Not ready.
I've got...
Tell him.
He's not ready.
But we win with that shot. Look, he's in every frame. They lose him in some frames.
You've disappointed me.
That was a nice shot.
Drone coming in, guys. Watch out.
With Ethan's drone abilities in question, we let Traction onto the track for just 30 minutes to come up with a 30-second teaser for the Supra, using all of their toys, which included them showing off an RC buggy with a camera on it being driven by four-time European champion Lee Martin.
In comparison to our shots, it's clear to see what the extra money gets you. The Veneo put up a valiant effort and managed to get some cool shots, but I don't think we'll get a call from Hollywood anytime soon.
There we go. On a budget, I don't think we did too bad.
No, I'm proud of the stuff we've got. I
Yeah.
mean, their stuff is another level.
Look how good this is, though. It is. We've vastly improved it with the black wheels and the... Don't look at that bit, but the wrap.
The bit of bin
the rest
liner
of it's
on
okay.
there.
Yeah. But a massive thanks to Traction as well for coming down. If you want to have a look at their stuff, then link in the description. Thank you for Jann for driving.
Yeah.
You can really pedal.
Oh, they're both the drivers today out there.
Oh, top notch, yeah, Edwin.
We'll have some words with Edwin.
And thank you to Toyota as well for lending us your car. Hopefully you got some good shots out of it.
What should we do with this now?
I think it's time for it to retire. It's suffered enough. Edwin's killed the power steering in it.
It's proved it can do everything. If you like this video, you can watch more videos here and you can subscribe down here. See you next time.
There they are.